Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to add a number to a column of numbers in Excel. Type the number you want to add into any blank cell on your worksheet. For example, if you're adding $1.5 to a list of prices, just type 1.5 into an empty cell. Copy that cell by pressing Ctrl+C. You'll see a moving border appear around it. That's your confirmation it's been copied. Select all the cells in your column that you want to change. Click and drag to highlight them. The selected cells will show a blue overlay. Open the Paste Special dialog by clicking the Paste drop-down arrow on the Home tab in the ribbon and selecting Paste Special. The dialog box will open. In the dialog, find the Operations section in the middle right area. Click the radio button next to Add. Click OK at the bottom right of the dialog. The dialog closes, and your numbers instantly update with the new values. Delete the helper cell where you typed your number. Click on it and press Delete. Here's what you need to know. This is a permanent change. The original values are replaced completely, so make a backup copy of your file first in case you need to reference the originals. Also, if you plan to use Paste Special again soon for regular pasting, change the operation back to none when you're finished. That's it. You've successfully added a number to every cell in your column.